Hey everyone, I'm Marcia Whitfield, healthy chef, and this is Everything Diet. So let's talk about diets for a quick second, because I hear a lot of people saying that diets don't work. Well, diets work, and they work really well. Just hear me out. The challenge is that diets often ask us to eliminate all the foods that we know and love. So when it comes time to turn that diet into a lifestyle, well, yeah, that's impossible. That's why I created Everything Diet. I'm going to teach you in the comfort of your own home and going at your own pace how to make and enjoy the foods that you know and love while getting a leaner body or just maintaining the one that you already have. Sounds great, right? Now, I did create this diet for single people, but don't worry, if you have a large family, it's really simple to multiply the recipes to make it work for your family. One other thing. The diet is designed to be zero waste. What that means is that no matter what I ask you to buy, we're either cooking and eating that week, or we're able to store it or freeze it because it's a good we're going to use down the road because we've got lots of recipes to work from. Of course you're wondering, how much does this cost? Well, your first week is absolutely free. After that, it's just $10 per month. So for the cost of a couple of lattes or cappuccinos, each week I'm going to show you with a detailed shopping list and a step-by-step tutorial how to make and enjoy these recipes. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to click the link below, snag your first free week, and then get some more information. I'm Marcia Whitfield, healthy chef, and this is Everything Diet. Bye for now.